Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful gift hamper box card for Diwali with the beautiful quill flower decoration and handwritten Happy Diwali sentiment. So you just need to open the ribbon like this. And then open your lid and surprise, you will get 4 different boxes inside this one box where you can add sweets, dry fruits, diya, candles, anything which you want to gift your nearers and dearers. Isn't it a great idea? So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need some multicolored 3mm quilling strips, scissor, quilling tool, any border punch, liquid glue, pencil, ruler, black color cardstock and some pattern papers. First I am taking this 12-inch long black color cardstock which is having 250 GSM thickness, and since I didn't have long cardstock, so I am taking this 30 cm by 14 cm black cardstock. Here I have scored it on each 8.7 interval. So score at 8.7, then 8.7, then again 8.7, and keep this part, last part, as it is. In the same way I need to add one more flap to create a square box. I am taking this 8.7 by 14 cm cardstock. If you have long sheet, you can directly create this whole base, but I am doing this process because of the short length of the paper which I have. So now I will connect my 4th flap on this folded extra part. If you don't have 12-inch long paper, you can create this in 2 equal parts. You can divide it in 2 parts. So the box will look like this. Now before decorating it with pattern papers, I am connecting some satin ribbon so that we can tie our box easily. So I am adding these ribbons. Now I am decorating the inner box using some pattern papers like this. So this is done. In the same way, on outer side I will add some more pattern papers. Like this. So this is also done. So our box will look like this. Now keep it aside. Now I will show you how to create box inside this. For this I am taking this 14.5 by 14.5 centimeters black cardstock, and from the left side I am making a crease on 3 centimeter. Again rotate your paper and score it on 3 centimeter, and again rotate it, score it at 3 centimeter, and at the end on 4th side again from the left side scored it on 3 centimeters. Now fold all the creases and burnish it very well using your bone folder. Bone folder gives us very crisp folds, so all the crafters should have this bone folder. Now I am cutting this part using my scissor from all 4 sides. If you don't have bone folder, you can also use scissors to burnish your folds. Now I am folding these cuttings like this and it will form a box shape. Now add little glue on these foldings and create a box. Now I'm decorating this box using some pattern papers. So this is done. You don't need to add a pattern paper on this fourth flap because it will gonna stick to your base box. In the same way, I have created 3 more boxes. So in total we need 4 boxes with the same procedure. With the same way, I have created the lid. For this I took 14 by 14 centimeter black cardstock and I have creased on 2.5 centimeters from all 4 sides. And the process is same. Now take back your box base and all 4 boxes. And now I will connect these boxes one by one with each flap. Now add glue on the side on which we didn't add any pattern paper. Again burnish it very well using your bone folder. Take second box and leave little gap between each boxes. So this is done and let it dry for some time. Now we can close our box card like this and just put your lid on top of this and just lock this box using this ribbon by tying a knot. Isn't it a cute idea? Now it's time to decorate it. So I am creating my favorite quill flowers to decorate this. For the first flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of off-white color and making one leaf teardrop shape. Now I am joining all the 9 petals together. And for the center of the flower, I am taking this tight coil which is made using half strip of yellow and half strip of red color. So this is done. Now for the outer layer of the flower, I am taking peach color strip. First make 3 loops in increasing order. Then make 2 loops on both the left and right sides and wrap this whole petal using remaining strip. Cut excess strip and just secure it. Now wrapping this petal using half strip of red color. In the same way, I have created total 9 petals. Now I am joining all petals together to create the flower. Now I am adding this small flower in the center of this big flower. So this is done. After that I am starting with this Malaysian flower. For this I am taking half strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of orange color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping this whole petal using orange color strip. So add all 7 petals and create a flower. And for the center I am using green tight coil, which is made using 1 strip of green. To create the flower 3D, just push it on your palm after drying. Now for this tiny flower I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color and making one drop shape. Join all 4 teardrops together, and for the center I am using red color tight coil, which is created using 1/4 strip of red. So this is also done. Now I will show you how to create leaves. For this I have already created 2 petals. I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of medium green and making a leaf shape. Now join all 3 petals together so your leaf is ready. Also I have created some scrolls using same greens. If you want to learn the scrolls, I have given link in description box, you can check there. Now take back your box and I will decorate the lid by adding these flowers, scrolls and leaves. So this is done. Now I have created this punched border design using my border punch on this red color paper. So I am decorating the bottom of the box using this punched border. Now I am adding this handwritten Happy Diwali sentiment. I have just added the sentiment using red color gel pen. Also I am decorating the lid using this punched border design. The decoration part is all up to you how you want to decorate your handmade things, but don't add too much, otherwise it will spoil your basic thought. And always balance between your creation and the embellishment. So this is done. Now just open the box and I am adding some chocolates, some handmade diya and handmade gift. You can also add dry fruits or sweets, mithai, anything of your choice which you want to gift to your friends or relatives. And now after adding this, you can just close this box like this. Attach the lid and tie the knot using this ribbon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.